So we recently got invited up to one of Tubby Tom's barbecue masterclasses. Purely because I was invited, I decided to take something up with me as a bit of a treat for everyone. And that was a 6.6 kilo rib roast from Meat Matters, dry aged, ex-dairy, yellow fat, loads of marbling. You just cannot go wrong with that. Shane decided to slice it into steaks and reverse sear it. And let me tell you, it went down really well. They got everyone involved. They got the guys to basically season them up with some of Tubby Tom's pecan smoked salt. They sliced the fat cap crisscross, chucked them on the big Weber Ranch, offset of the coals, bit of smoke, absolutely amazing. And as I say, then they got the guys involved and got them to sear them over the coals at the end, let them rest for the second time, sliced them up into rolls. They used the bones to make part of the broth, which had onions in and all the good stuff. Oh, honestly, used that to dip in. Here's a little bit of footage from the day. Go cook something exceptional. I'll see you when I see you. Cheers.